Hello and welcome to our first lecture from this course on how to use Designball to create your specific designs for your own needs, for your business, for your clients, for whatever other purposes you might have in terms of creating graphic designs. Now, Designball is a free platform that you can use directly online. It's very simple to create an account on Designball, and after that you have at your disposal a set of templates that you can use. So it's very easy for you to create professionally looking designs without having to outsource anything, without having to spend a lot of hours to practically create designs or templates from scratch. You just have to go ahead, create a free account, follow the steps that you will see in this course, and you will be able to create different types of graphics for your business in no time. So without no further ado, let's dive into the actual information and show you in this first lecture exactly how you can create an account and how your dashboard will look like. First of all, you can already see that I'm logged in here. I will log out for the moment. This is how the platform looks like. You have to go on designball.com. You can see the address here, and you have more options of signing up. First of all, if you click sign up in the right top corner, you will be able to create a new account using an email address and the password, but most of you probably already have Facebook, Google or Twitter, so you can sign up using Facebook, Google or Twitter. It's much more simpler. I've personally used Facebook. Okay, now let me log in to my account. I will log in with Facebook, and you will see I will be redirected in a couple of minutes, very fast. Okay, just bear with me here, and we are pretty much done. Okay, so this is it. This is my dashboard. You will see that I already have some designs in here. You can see after you log in, this is how your dashboard will look like. You will have an upper menu here, on a horizontal menu, and in the left side you will have different designs. Okay, left side main menu, and here in the canvas you can see my designs. Okay, so basically things that I've tested, I've created for my own needs. Okay, so very simple workspace templates, pricing. You also have a pro version of Designball, obviously, the option to create a new design, and this is what we are interested in and we will discuss about in the new lecture. And your designs here. If you click on one of the designs, let's say this one, and you double click on it, it will open in a new tab in your browser and you will be able to edit it. Okay, so this is how the editor will look like, the main editor. Okay, very simple. This is how the dashboard works. This is how you create an account on Designball. Nothing complicated so far. I'm looking forward to see you in the next lecture where we will discuss how you can create a new design. Thank you for watching. Hello and welcome back to the next lecture from this course on how to use Designball. In this lecture we will talk about how you can create a new design, how you can select a new template in accordance to the purpose of your graphic design. Maybe it's for your business, maybe you want to create a Facebook ad, maybe you want to create a Facebook cover photo. It doesn't matter, you have plenty of templates, and what is more important than that, you have plenty of free templates from which you can choose so you can create the perfect design for your own needs or for your business. So let's dive in. After you log into your account, you will see the dashboard and you will have an option here which says new design. Okay, in the upper horizontal menu, just click on the new design option and you will see here the possibility to search for a specific type of design. Let's say that you want a Facebook cover or a Facebook canvas. Okay, we have plenty of options. If you will just click in the search option, you will see we have Tumblr, graphic, Facebook canvas. You just have to scroll down and you will see plenty of templates. Okay, plenty of them. Another way to go for a template is just to scroll through the slides, okay, through the slider that you have here with the templates and the images, and you can check all of them out. Another good option is to see all the doc types. Okay, you just click on the button, view all doc types, and you will see they are for social media. And then if we scroll down for documents and letters, blogging and ebooks, basically you have them organized on different categories: marketing materials, events and invitation, ads and commercials, and that's pretty much it. Now, because Facebook ads are very popular these days, let's suppose that we want to create a Facebook ad, right? What we are going to do right now is select this option here, Facebook ad. We click on it and you will see that the editor will open in a new tab in our browser. So basically what's very cool about Design Bolt is that you have access to your designs and to the possibility of creating new designs from anywhere you have an internet connection, a pretty decent laptop or computer, and obviously a web browser, right? So let me show you now in the beginning how you can select your own template, and in a different lecture we will start to discuss about how to use different types of elements, right, for your templates so that you can edit them. First of all, this is the canvas. Here you will see how the image looks like. What we have to do in the first place is give a name to our design. Let's say that this is test 1, and what we can do right now, test 1, okay, we just have to press the check button. 1 second, test 1, we press the check button, okay, it will be saved like that. Save design title, and in the left side menu from the templates we have to choose a template. Okay, we have plenty of them. Now the ones which you see that don't have this small icon, this small watermark with premium layout, those are for free. You can use them for free. The ones which have the premium layout means that you'll have to pay for them, but you have plenty of free ones, don't worry. Okay, so we have back to school. Let's scroll down, back to school. Let me find one that I actually like. Back to school. Let's try this one, back to school. Okay, so this is the Facebook ad template. This basically here it's like a preview or like the editor, and basically you will see that you have the possibility, this one is created from more layouts. You have the possibility to select different elements from the ad or the template itself and to change them. Okay, like this one from the left side, the one from the right side, the actual text. We can change the text and edit the text. Let me show you an example. Text here. Okay, so you put in your own text with your own percentage discounts, with your own buttons, and you can edit absolutely everything, right? So this is how you load a new template. This is how you edit your template. Now in the next lecture we will discuss about how you can edit different elements from your template so that it's in accordance to your own needs. Thank you for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this course on how to use Design Bolt to create your own graphic designs for your own needs and for your business. In the previous lectures we have seen how you can create an account for free, how to customize and edit different elements of your templates, and how to add different new elements to your templates. Now we will discuss about the menu that we have in the left side when we are actually editing our own canvas, how to add different types of elements and texts to our graphic to make it look better, and how to use the icons. Now you have previously seen how to open this template that we have right now on the screen in the canvas editor, and we will use the same graphics in order to showcase the other features that we have with Design Bolt. So first of all, let's take the left side menu. So we have the element section, which you are already familiar with, and we haven't seen the icons part and the frames part. The icons, we just have to open all of them, and we have different icons that we can add to our design so we make them look better. For example, very recently we had Christmas, and obviously we had different icons for Christmas. This is just an example. Now if we scroll down we can see different other types of icons. Let me just check. Okay, like this one, the euro sign, I will delete this one. This compass, okay, for the email addresses, and different types of icons. Okay, so this is how we can use icons. We also have something which is very interesting. We have frames. Inside of frames we can put different photos. For example, this is a frame, and if we go to the free photo section here in the left side menu, let's say we want to put this frame. Just 1 second, let's make this bigger. Okay, we have put the photo here in the frame. Now we can edit it. We can double click on the photo so we can move it, make the photo maybe smaller, bigger, it doesn't matter. Okay, now let me delete the frame. So this is how frames work. We have polygons, but you have seen them already in shapes. Now let me close this one. So this is how frames works. And we also have grids. Grids are pretty, let's say grids are a way of of using your whole canvas, okay, in different parts. And let's see all the grids that we have. Basically, the program automatically splits our canvas, our whole graphic in different parts that we can edit separately. Okay, we have different types of grids. We have selected one with 2 parts. They are like photo layouts, if you know photo layouts. Okay, for example, right now in this one we can put different photos. Let's go to free photos. We can put this one here. We can add this one here. We can put this one here, this one here. So we can actually use this to create photo layouts as well. So this is how the grids are working. Okay, now let me show you another thing, how we can use the backgrounds. We have different types of backgrounds. In our case, we won't see the backgrounds because we need a clear editor, and that's why I've deleted everything. For example, let's say we want black. We can select different types of colors. Then we also have patterns here. We can select different types of patterns. So this is how we change the backgrounds. Okay, pretty nice, pretty simple, not complicated at all. Now let me show you how we can add text. We just select the text icon, and you will see that we also have templates for text. For example, this one here, this one is a template for a text. We can double click on it, change the name, test1, change the actual text, sorry. Okay, here we have the option uppercase. So this is how we can add different types of text and use templates for text. Pretty interesting, right? Okay, title, again another template. This is like a small graph or chart, another type of template. Numbers, so we have different options. Okay, stamps, lots of different options, okay, for text. And we can also add our own text like headings. And we have here, let me just change this one, add test1. Okay, and what's very interesting, we can change the font, as you already know. We can select our own fonts. We can change the the size, and also we have the options for bold, italic, different options for text. Okay, I will delete this one. So this is how we can add different types of text. And then we have another section which is called tools, but in this section we will go through this section in our next lecture. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that now it's more clear to you how we can use the elements, the frames, the grids, and also how we can change the background and add text to our design. Thank you for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in our next lecture, where we will see how we can use charts and Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this course on how to use Design Bold to create your own graphics designs for your own needs or your own business. Now in this section I am going to show you exactly how you can use charts and maps, two special tools that Design Bold has and which makes it different than other graphic design tools which are online and also for free out there. So what we have to do after we are logged into our dashboard and account, let's say that we want to use charts or maps, we just have to go in the left side menu in the tools section, and we will see that we have charts and maps, and we go through the charts. Let's say that we want a gradient hierarchy. This is how it will look like. Okay, and if we select the gradient hierarchy, we will see that we have a menu here and we have data. Okay, and we have a chart data like an Excel, which we can edit. For example, 2019. Okay, but if we put this, we basically destroy the hierarchy. We can also add D, which is 12, let's say, and if you make it a gradient hierarchy, this is how it will look like. Okay, gradient hierarchy has only one type of data. If we make a pie, it will look like this. If we also add 2019, this is what we will have. Let's say 14. Okay, it adds something new. Okay, it adds a comparison, right? staked when data has one column, pi, area. Okay, when the data, there are different types of charts, because some you can use for only one type of data and others for two type of data. As you have seen that the gradient hierarchy you can use for only one type of data. The area type of chart, like this one, you can use for two types of data, like 2019 and 2018 in this case, right? So it's pretty cool. We also can change the settings for the chart, like general settings. We can add a title, okay, color, title position, top or bottom, axis, grid, yes or no, legend, I think it's better to have it, title color, we can use yellow, text color, red. These are just examples. Set color to all, individual color setting, this is better. So we also have these very cool settings. Let's go back to data. So this is how you will use a chart type. Pretty interesting, right? Now let me also show you how you can use the maps section. Let's delete the chart. Let's go in the map section. We have different regions and countries. So we have Southeast Asia, we have South America, Oceania, Africa, world, and Asia. Let's select Africa. Okay, we have Africa here. And if we select the element, you will see that we have data. If we select data, we have different countries. Let's say that we want Guinea. Okay, we have selected Guinea. And we can change the color of the borders. Okay, it shows the states and the values. We have different values for different states. We can change the colors of the states, which is pretty neat. Edit the map. We can see the visualization area value map. Okay, which is pretty cool. Choose value, colors, range, start, end. Select the map. Let's go back. Let's select Europe. For example, we have Europe. Edit the map of Europe. Same thing. Okay, so we have these options to also add and play with the maps, which is pretty cool. So charts and maps are something which we don't find in other online app designs like Design Bold. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. You have understood better how to use charts and maps, and we are looking forward to see you in our next lecture, where we will discuss about more features that Design Bold has to offer to us. Again, thank you for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next. Hello and welcome to our next lecture from this course on how to use Design Bold to create different types of designs that we can use in our business or for our own purposes. Previously in the other lectures you have seen how we can select a template, how we can use different elements, how we can customize that template, and now I want to show you how you can upload your own photos and how you can also use your own fonts, because this can be in your advantage. So first of all, after you are logged in, after you have selected your template or you have selected the option to design a graphic from scratch, you will be in the canvas in the editor, and in the left side menu you will have an option which says upload. First of all, we have photos. We will click on the drag files here. We will select an option, for example this photo, and it will upload the photo for us. Very simple. We can see that it has been a success. Okay, here. Now, in the case of fonts, it's pretty similar. It's pretty easy. We have to drag the files here, or to browse. They have to be in OTF, TTF, or WOFF formats. So the formats of fonts. Now, for example, let's say that we go on a website like 1001freefonts.com. Here we can find free fonts. Let's say we go in the 3D section. We scroll down. We see a couple of cool free fonts. We select one of them, like National Cartoon, free for personal use. We download it. We go on our computer for the font. It's in TTF format. We extract the font, National Cartoon TTF. Okay, and now let's go back to Design Bold. we click the browse button, select for National Cartoon TTF, so this is the actual font. We open it. I have the right to use this font. Upload now. And you will see that the font is uploaded. Close, list fonts, National Cartoon. Very simple. Now if we go in the text section, let's say we select this one, Forbes. Let's select black color. Okay. And if we want to change the font, well, actually not in this case because it doesn't work in this case, but for an actual text element like this one, add heading, we go to National My Fonts. Just 1 second. My Fonts, National Cartoon. Pretty cool, right? So it has changed to National Cartoon Test 1. This is how we can use our own fonts. Let's make it bigger. It looks pretty nice. Very, very cool template, right? So this is how we can use our own fonts, our own images. We just go in the upload section and that's pretty much it, right? We have 5 fonts that we can upload of our own. If we want to replace them, we have to delete the old one. It's pretty simple, right? Just press delete and it will be gone. Now, another option that we have in the menu is quick access. Here, basically, if we have different favorite items, we can select them, or purchased items, we can select them. Now, how we put some elements here in favorites. For example, let's go into elements. We go in all icons. And let's say we have an icon which is a favorite, this one and the like one. Okay. Now, if we go to quick access, we can see in favorites that we have already these icons here, and we just have to select them from here and it will appear for us. If we have purchased any type of elements, we will have them here. Okay. So that's pretty much it. That's how we use the upload function and also the quick access functions from the menu. You have seen that the upload function is pretty cool, especially for the fonts. Now, thank you very much for watching. We are looking forward to see you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome to our next lecture from this course on how to use Design Bold to create incredible, professionally looking graphic designs completely for free directly online using Design Bold. Now, in the previous lectures, you have seen how to select a template, how to edit a template, how to customize it, how to use different types of elements, upload your own fonts, and so on. And also how to use tools like charts and maps. Now, basically, after your graphic design is finished, after your graphic is ready, you want to download it, or maybe you want to share it on social media, right? So we have these options. It's very, very easy to do it. First of all, you can see that in the actual editor, in the canvas, you have the upper menu, which has 2 options. One of them is download and the other one is share. If we go to the download section, basically, let's say that we want to download the file on our computer. First of all, we want to give it a name. We already have a name. We can change it from here. We select the file type. Maybe we want it in PNG, in PDF format. We select the file type. We select the quality, which is high most of the times. And then we press the button Save to my computer. And it will take a couple of seconds, maybe 10-20 seconds to create the actual design. After that, we can press the close button here. Your design is ready and downloading, and we can see the actual design. This is it, okay? It's now on our computer. We can use it however we want. Now, if you want to share the design directly from Design Bold, we have the option to share it, share with people, or share on social networks. Most probably you will be interested in sharing on social networks. So if we click on this button, on this option, we can share it on Facebook or on Twitter. And we can say something about the design, test 1, public on the web. We have to connect it to Facebook. Okay, first of all. And we will press OK here, and after that we will have the actual option and the button will be active to share it now. I won't do this right now because I don't actually want to share this on my Facebook, but this is what you are able to do if you want to use this option. Okay, pretty simple, pretty neat. So that's pretty much it. That's how you use Design Bold to download the actual graphic designs to your computer or to share it, to share them on social media. Now, thank you very much for your attention.